Hello and welcome to Storytime and Rhyme Time with a Nan Who Can. And today I'm going to be reading a book called Little Blu from Timbuktu. From a faraway land called Timbuktu. Little Blu, you see Little Blu? That's that little bird there. Flew. He's been flying. Can you see? He's flown a long way. He flew for miles. Then he said, "I need a bed to rest my head." I think he might be quite tired, so he needs a little bed to lay down. Spying an open window, Little Blu tapped on it with his beak. Then he flew inside to take a peek. He flew down from the window onto the floor. Little Blu thought, "This is a nice house," and began to explore. Does it look like a nice house? Turn the right page there. It wasn't long before he found some cake on a plate. Little Blu flew over and ate. You see that nice delicious cake, and Little Blu's found it and he's eating it. So he ate and he ate and he ate. Can you see what's happening? He's getting bigger and bigger all the time that he's eating. Before long, the cake was all gone. And eating so much cake hurt Little Blu's tongue. I think he's got a tummy ache because he's eaten all that cake. Feeling sick, Little Blu thought, "It's time to go." Too late. Oh no. Oh no. He's had a little accident. Oh no. Just then, a family walked in and spotted Little Blu near the bin. The mother screamed with fright when she looked at the floor and saw the sight. The children then started to giggle when everyone laughed so much it hurt in the middle. Father then said, "I think it's best we find this poorly bird a nest." And that's what he did. Can you spot Little Blu in his new nest? Can you see? Can you see? And there's a little section here that you can actually help with. And it's can you help? It's asking, can you help Little Blu? So it's what can you do? And scientists have discovered the world is getting hotter and hotter. We can help our planet by reducing car journeys and walking or cycling instead. Why not think about something else that you could do and write it down? You could make a little pledge like this one. So you could say, "My pledge to help Little Blu and our planet." And then you can write down your suggestions and then you can sign it. Thank you for your help. You're awesome. Maybe you could share this story with someone else and see what ideas they have to help the planet. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.